Dear students, my name is Dr. S.N. Mandal. I'll help and guide you in biology, especially for NEET, including NCERT. Okay? Just now, according to NCERT, we come to the vital point of first chapter of NCERT. So, dear students, first chapter is the living world, biodiversity in the living world communicates. Diversity in the living world communicates. First chapter, the living world. What is living? First topic is coming here. What is living? Living means those organisms who have life. They can give the moment and postures of here and there, left and right. That is called living organisms. Living organisms have differentiation. The living organisms, those means who has life. Plants have also life. Animals have also life. Plant respires, animal respires. All the plants they produce, animals they produce. There are different types of differentiation going to be occur in living organism. That is called biodiversity. Bios means life. Diversity means differentiation. Suppose that, for example, there are so many living organisms, living beings. For example, you see animal. All the animals have different shape and size, different categories. They have habit and habitat is completely different. Some animals became habituated to pass their descending life inside the water. Some animals habituated to pass their descending life on land. Some organisms, some animals habituated to pass their descending life in the burrow inside the soil. Like same systematic positions need for the classification. So that is in the basis of the classification, we see taxonomy and systematics. What is taxonomy? Classification of the plants. Classification of the plants and concept of their species and five kingdom concept of the species and taxonomical hierarchy. In plants, just now, dear students, taxonomical plants we have to divide in different categories, in different division, and animals we divide in different phylum. That's why it keep the biological name binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature means bi means two, nomen means name, and clature means systematic position. Plants have two names. First name is a specific name and second one is generic name. Okay, dear students, like same systematic positions in animals, first one is a generic name and second one is a specific name. Here, five kingdom of classification occurs in biology, like virus and viroids. Like a small creature which we can't see with the help of our naked eyes. Five kingdom of classification, we have to give the salient features and classifications of Monera, Protista, fungi. Okay, these are into the major groups. For example, lichen, viruses, and viroids. A virus is completely different to viroid. What is virus? Virus indicates living and non-living organisms. Virus comes under the jurisdiction in the biology in between living and non-living. The virus is neither living nor non-living. In between these situations, these organisms are called viruses. Next point here, salient features of classification of plants into major groups. Dear students, salient features of classification of plants. This is the salient features. What is the salient features of the plant? These salient features, and we have to give the groups, major groups like algae, bryophytes, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. These are the major groups of the plants. Algae, bryophyte. Bryophyte reproduce with the help of their leaves. They have no fruits. They can reproduce with the help of the leaves. Like same systematic position, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, and we have to give these 3 to 5 salient features and distinguishing the feature at least 2 examples of each category. How many categories we will divide? At least 2 to 5 salient features we have to give, and at least 2 examples we have to be indicates. It's similar. Next point here, salient features and classification of animals. Dear students, same systematic, this is the plant categories and this is animal categories, and animal categories, salient features and classification of animal. Like same systematic position of point third, we have divided 3 parts, 3 different categories of the plant. Like same systematic positions, we have to be discussed about the salient features and classification of animals. Animals are 2 types, chordates and non-chordate. We can say in other words, vertebrate and non-vertebrate. So vertebrate means those organisms who have bones, give the definite postures of their body. And those organisms, those animals who have no bones, without bones, they have no definite bones. For an example, starfish, no definite bones. Spiro, you can say different types of animals like a leech, Hirudinalis. These are no definite shape and size. Like chordate up to phyla level, we have to study according to NCERT. Non-chordates, we have to study phyla level, that means phylum level. And next, chordate, we have to study about classes level. And you keep in mind, dear students, a non-chordate study up to the phylum level and chordate study up to the classes level. How many classes of the chordate we have to divide, and 3 to 5 salient features we have to give according to classes of the chordate animals, and at least 2 examples we have to communicate is this in this chapter. This is the first topic we will discuss later on. The first type, the diversity in the living world, and we will give you questions and you have to be solved. Automatically you have to pay much and more attention towards the delivering lectures of the faculty, dear students. Okay, next class I'll see.